What a lovely day. Can't think of anywhere I'd rather be than floating in my pond. And every now and then I'd grab me a beakful of yummy, delicious little bugs.
Hi, I'm Ryan Thurman. I am a rising sophomore musical theater major, and I am the duck in Peter and the Wolf. Well, if you know the original story of Peter and the Wolf, you know that Duck is one of Peter's animal friends.
You call yourself a bird, that's the funniest thing I've heard. You're a fowl that cannot swim, don't even try.
Fish.
Fowl.
Fish.
Fowl.
Poisson.
Poulet.
Canard.
Cuckoo.
Sacana.
Niwatori.
Pescado.
Pollo.
Riba.
Домашняя птица. That's Russian.
I guess you could say he's sort of the catalyst for the movement of the story of Peter and the Wolf. When audiences come to see this show, they can expect, as our director would say, a carnival of the mind. It's a fun story. It's fun to do. It's fun to watch. It's a lot of excitement. It's colorful. You know, it'll bring out the child in everybody.
You're gonna teach him manners. You're gonna teach him wrong from right. You're gonna teach him manners. We won't be howling at the moon all night. You're gonna teach him manners. You're gonna teach him wrong from right, so he won't disturb your sleeping anymore.
What led me to Point Park University was the program. And when I came here, I just loved it. I loved the people, the atmosphere. I saw what people from the school had been doing and how they liked the program. And Point Park teaches you to be an artist, not just a performer. And I think that's very valuable because it helps you embody everything that you're learning. And it's a great experience, and I love being here, and I'm glad I chose it.